The Pure Body Advanced Anti-Aging System. Our 3-product regimen with best-in-class technologies and natural ingredients reduce the appearance of aging. Moisturize your skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve texture and feeling. A unique blend of nature's most powerful ingredients. Acmella flower, sweet almond oil, dandelion leaf, sage leaf, aloe vera, advanced anti-aging. Process benefits of the 3-step system. Step 1, cleanse, eliminates dirt and oil, removes dead skin. Step 2, serum, reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, visibly younger looking skin. Step 3, nourish, moisturizes and refreshes skin, helps promote skin cell renewal. Active ingredients facilitate entrapping moisture, which in turn hydrates the skin and prevents cracking. The science behind the Pure Body. 75% of our skin is comprised of water and collagen. Our skin is exposed to harsh UVA and UVB radiation, resulting in age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. As we age, our bodies produce less and less collagen, leading to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Most anti-aging products use fragments of hydrolyzed collagen containing molecules too large for the skin with conventional formulas. The Pure Body's breakthrough formula delivers whole collagen molecules to the skin. The peptide-rich wrinkle serum is applied to the skin, rebuilding and rejuvenating the skin. The Pure Body is your secret to radiant, beautiful skin that looks years younger. Don't endure the physical pain and expense of costly procedures and surgeries. The Pure Body works naturally to help replenish your skin's moisture, firming its appearance and restoring your natural glow to reveal a younger looking you.